You were born to dominate. But what happened? You traded discipline for dopamine. You gave up grit for comfort. You know what's worse than being poor? Being lazy and poor. Every second you waste, there's a man out there hungrier than you, stronger than you, obsessed. You're not unlucky. You're just not working hard enough. The problem is not the system. The problem is you. You hit snooze, he hits the gym. You complain, he adapts. You scroll, he builds. You can't win if your mindset is weak. Life rewards the relentless. So ask yourself, are you a king or a slave to your excuses? Get out of your head. Get into the war zone. Comfort zones kill kings. Now rise. The clock is ticking. No one's coming to rescue you. Not your parents. Not your friends. Not your boss. This world belongs to wolves. You either hunt or you starve. Weakness isn't treated with mercy. It's exploited. So stop crying. Start conquer. Lead. Train. Hustle. Turn silence into strategy. Turn rejection into rage. You're not tired. You're undisciplined. Don't chase validation. Build results. Men don't beg. They build. The only therapy you need is a cold shower and a relentless routine. You want more? Then give more. No excuses. Only executions. The savage doesn't sleep. He stalks the throne. Your brain is your battlefield. You lose there, you lose everywhere. You think success is luck? No. It's blood. It's war. It's choosing progress over pleasure. Every single day, the average man consumes. The top chi creates. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you are. If you're lazy, weak, distracted, then that's your empire. Lazy results. Weak income. Distracted life. Your mindset is the currency, not your degree, not your followers. Your mind decides your throne. Program it or perish. Feed it with hunger. Fuel it with purpose. Arm it with action. And when doubt whispers, shut it down with execution. You're not here to survive. You're here to own. Every man has two choices. Build his kingdom or be ruled in someone else's. You are not designed to be average. Average is the disease. Discipline is the cure. Every morning, you rise or you rot. There is no in-between. Stop waiting for perfect. Start doing with purpose. Mail fast. Learn faster. Hustle in silence. Dominate in results. Don't be seen trying. Be seen winning. Turn pain into power. Turn fear into fire. And when they laugh, let your success slap them into silence. You're not a follower. You're a fucking force. Now build. Or be broken. It's your choice. Legacy isn't given.